Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a fight on our hands.
That's impact and then some.
Oh, mama! Oh, did you see the force behind that?
High knee.
Knee lift! Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh!
He just planted him with a DDT.
And he lights up his chest with a chop. Nicely countered there by Tensai.
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. The way this thing's going, somebody's going to leave in a stretcher. Oh, man, what a knee lift. Ouch. Right to the chin with the knee.
And that punch lands hard.
And the Samurai reverses it.
Welts growing across the chest.
You know, I really see somebody filing for workman's comp after this. Oh, no way, says Tensai. He sweeps his leg, and there's the STO.
What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here?
Oh, look out here.
Follow a slam, my goodness, the strength.
He's got him hooked. A quick punch to the gut. Missed him.
Oh, how do you keep going after that?
This truly is an all-out brawl.
Oh, and you have to give the assist to the Samurai's amazing agility.
What a fierce kick.
A quick knee lift. This is unbelievable. The Samurai is still fighting. Oh, this is it if Tensai hits this.